Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with the July Ipsy Glam Bag Plus reveal and review. Whoa! Lots of words. So for those of you that don't know, Ipsy is a beauty subscription service. So for 25 bucks a month, you get 5 full-size products sent to you. There's a beauty quiz that you can take. You leave your reviews. Every box is different, and I just want to say how much I love Ipsy. You get more of a customized choice of or selection of products that's sent to you. There's options for add-ons. Every month you get to pick one of your 5 products. If you are interested in Ipsy, check down into the description box and use my referral link because I do get points, only points. Anyway, that information is there. We're just going to jump right into it. I'm going to be talking about a few products that I'm not using today, and then we'll jump into the products that I'm using. I have a set of 3 sheet masks. These are mid-flower hyaluronic acid moisturizing masks. I have used these before quite a bit, and I've already done some skin prep today. I didn't feel it was necessary to use these. Hydrating skincare ingredients. Okay, so hyaluronic acid is an anti-ager, infuses your skin with moisture, temporarily plump fine lines. 30-minute date with this mask, it'll leave your skin feeling soft, replenished. So the retail for this is $15. Set that aside. And speaking of masks, moving on to more masks, I love how this is in an extra sheet of like packaging. This was an add-on. This is BioRace Intense Hydrating Spirulina Mask set. I have used this before on my channel. It saturates dry, dehydrated skin with moisture, loaded with antioxidant rich free radical fighting spirulina, blah blah blah. Because it is an add-on, it's not telling me the retail whatever. Another thing, I'm going to insert a clip of the next product here. Alright, so here's the random clip here. So, the Awake Glow Pill Super Serum. It's like a multivitamin for your skin, nutrient-rich serum, pretty much our new favorite supplement. Want instant results? This lightweight gel-based serum makes skin softer and more hydrated as soon as you slather it on. Dealing with dark spots, fine lines, large pores, vitamin B3 can help multitasker to help fade discoloration and improve skin texture for a youthful glow. Get hydrated with vitamin B5. Skin softening ingredient is a secret sauce for a plump, dewy complexion. The full size retails for $39. So, just so you know, I removed all of my makeup today. I used my pharmacy makeup melting balm. I cleansed. Hello, Peach. I cleansed. I actually did a face mask, and I just removed the face mask, so I'm ready for my next step. This does have like a little pump. Okay, so this is definitely pretty, yeah, you can see how fast that's moving. Definitely pretty watery. What, do you want out now that you came in? This feels really nice. I feel like my skin is absorbing it. Now, with skincare, it takes anywhere between 28 to 60 days to really see what it's doing. Hopefully I'll be able to check the description box for further opinions since it'll at least be a couple weeks, but I'm definitely going to use this, so stay tuned for an Empties in a few months and there'll probably be further updates on that. Yeah, it definitely sticks into the skin. Like, I bounce my hands off of my face and it's definitely pretty sticky. I see that it gives me like a really nice glow. Did I seriously use a freaking matte? I used a matte nail polish outside. I did my nails in the dark. I guess I need a clear coat. Yeah, so definitely check the description box. So far, I really like it. Cool. Yes, so as I stated in the clip, check down in the description box for a further review on that serum. Okay, jumping into the first product that we are going to be trying. We as in me, as in I am. La la la! This is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Refreshing, hydrating, and perfect under makeup. Get hydrated without feeling greasy. Quench thirsty skin. Watermelon extract is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants which help and brighten and protect your skin. Unique serum-like texture grips onto foundation for long-lasting wear in a flawless, non-cakey finish. This retails for $28. Doll hairs. There's like little, like, I don't know if the camera's, okay, you can kind of see it, but like the little bubbles. I wonder if that's gonna come out. What is this sorcery? It's a pump in a tube. That's been like a thing with some stuff lately. Okay, come on. Oh, there it goes. Cool. It only took, 20 million fucking years. Yeah, so this is definitely thicker consistency than what I was actually expecting. Not saying that's a bad thing, just an observation. Ooh, she watermelon is a motherfucker. This would honestly be, it's similar to the Touch and Soul primer that I was using with that Tarte matte foundation for a while, just because of how hydrating and basically how wet it is. This is something that I would use for that. I'd honestly probably use this for anything. I'm really excited to see how this goes. A little sticky now. So far, let's see how some foundation goes. Blah, blah, blah. I have another, this is an add-on. This is the Perlice Beauty Illuminating BB Cream SPF 30 in Fair. Made for hectic mornings, a few drops to give your skin dewy, natural looking coverage. Get ready to glow. I have a feeling I'm gonna be shiny as fuck by the end of this video. Regular sunscreen is not gonna go SPF 30 in this cream. Makes it easy to get your whatever daily dose. Skin friendly antioxidants, brightening goji berry, and moisturizing jasmine. Okay, so again, because this was an add-on, there is not a retail price. I have been really loving the whole BB cream thing in the summer, so that is the reason for this purchase. Probably don't need that much, but here we are. I really like this consistency. I don't want to like cake makeup on today anyway. Like Tim and I have plans later that requires a lot of walking. Although I had a full face of makeup on yesterday because I filmed look 2 for my Jeffree Star Cosmetics mini Jawbreaker palette for 3 looks 1 palette. All right, moment of truth. Oh wow. Yeah, this is definitely really light. I will be adding concealer to this look today. I might do, because I've been doing the whole like BB, CC cream, whatever. There was, which my favorite ones has been from Yensa. They do have a nice light concealer by Yensa as well that I'm probably gonna end up using. So normally this is where I would grab my sponge. So I'm gonna go off camera and buff this in with a sponge and I'll be right back just so you can see it blended before the next step. So yeah, this is like perfect like summer day. You're about to go do a bunch of shit kind of thing. I still see freckles and shit. Definitely feeling that light vibe. I am living for this. I will be right back for the next step. All right, final 2 steps. And we are almost there, so haha. Anyway, so new brush, check this. Isn't that weird? That's so weird. So this is a Complex Culture Contour Blush Brush. I already put blush on. I'm using bronzer with it, so fuck it. So yes, after I wash this, check the description box to see how this is with blush. A uniquely shaped brush head is designed to perform 3 makeup moves: contouring, applying blush, and blending. Okay, well, I guess it's fine. Fluffy tip for swirling on blush. Either way you use it, luxuriously dense Syntec bristles hold on to pigments. Velvet matte finish handle means it's comfy to hold. Vegan and cruelty free. This retails for $35 hairs. And since this is an Ipsy video, I decided that I'm gonna go in with the Ipsy, well, it's not really an Ipsy palette, but this is basically for Ipsy, the Nomad Kiss of Sun palette. So I'm just gonna go down into like a matte bronzer, which I do have That's perfect for what I'm doing. Oh my goodness, yay. Actually, what I'm gonna do, now that I'm actually gonna go into this darker color ever so lightly. Oh man, that's perfect. It's exactly what I want, like holy shit. Oh, I guess I need to do eyeliner before the last thing. Okay, so now it's the final step. I have a new mascara, which is great because I know I've been getting like a bunch, but for whatever reason, some of them don't last the way well, I guess I know what it is. This whole like Corona shit has like my whole like time thing all whatever. Anyway, so this is the Tarte Sea Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. A few swipes open up your lashes for a wide-eyed look. Ditch the lash curler. Cool, I never use one. No running, flaking, or smearing. I will hold them to it. Infused with vitamin E and marine algae to condition your lash hairs. Clean vegan formula. The retail value is $23. Moment of truth. It's not my favorite type of brush, but let's bring y'all in so I can go. Alright. Oh, it feels really good. Digging the bottom lash so far. Alright, moment of truth with the upper lashes. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more to the bottom. I'm really liking this. Yeah, so that's definitely a hit. I'm very excited to be using this more often. Holy shit. Well, this is the finished look, y'all. I really enjoyed this Ipsy bag. I love Ipsy. As far as subscription boxes go, you definitely have more control about what you get with this subscription box. What? Subscription box. Wow, words. It's fine. It's fine. There's nothing to see or hear here. And their customer service is freaking banging. So as I stated earlier in the video, check the description box for my referral link. I get points, blah, 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 blah. There's also, if you want to just give it a try, for 12 bucks a month, you get 5 sample size beauty products sent to you. So a lot cheaper, you still get your bang for your buck, and the cute little bags. And I like to gift people things, so I like to collect them and then give a bunch away. Anyway, so that is it for today's video. Thanks for sticking around. Be sure to like, subscribe, and until the next one.